So you probably know that we're fans of Zippo's 12-hour hand warmer at thing a lot in the fall and the winter when it's chilly outside. 12 hours of heat, it works great. Their fans started requesting something a little bit smaller, and so they came out with a 6-hour hand warmer. Look at that little bro. Lot smaller. It has the exact same size catalytic converter as the 12-hour one does, so it puts out the same amount of heat just for a little bit shorter period of time, for 6 hours. It also works exactly the same way that the large one does. You just go ahead and fill up the filling container all the way, and then you fill up the 6-hour hand warmer, light it, and you're ready to go. Solid steel construction. This thing will last for years and years and years and years. You can click the link below if you want to check out a hand warmer comparison that we did last year. That actually, we were able to discover that this is cheaper than any other type of hand warmer we were able to find per use. So we love this thing. That is the 6-hour Zippo hand warmer.
Today I am talking about this Zippo HeatBank 9S. This is a rechargeable hand warmer and a power bank, so you can charge your cell phone or whatever small device you may have. Neat little device. It's got 6 different temperature settings and it can last up to 9 hours. And how it does that is it can power just one side. So it only heats one side, and you got 3 temperature settings for that. And if you want to heat both sides, it's got 3 more temperature settings for that. So 6 total, but of course being on the lowest setting on just one side, yeah, you can get 9 hours. But I can tell you, even on that lowest setting, you can feel it. I mean, you know it's warm. But if you want, obviously 0 degrees outside, you want both sides burning. And thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.
And so I picked up this OCOOPA hand warmer. It's rechargeable, it's electric. I've had some of the air activated hand warmers. I still have them because they're pretty nice. And you kind of just shake them, but they take a while to get warm. And what I've noticed is that, when it's pretty cold, they're working, but you don't really feel them that much. But I do like these rechargeable ones because 1, they seem to get pretty warm, and 2, they're really easy to use and you kind of get instant heat. So here's the hand warmer. It's kind of cool looking. It's like Stormtrooper-ish. It's white and black. This black part is kind of velvety. It's a soft touch plastic. It's actually pretty smooth. I mean, it feels really nice in the hand because it's got really rounded edges. It's very organic shape. You can see on the front here, we have the USB-C port. We also have a USB port right there, so I think you could charge your phone or another device off of it if you really needed to. Looks like we actually have a micro USB right there, so in a pinch, if you don't have the USB-C cable, you could charge it potentially off micro USB, which is kind of cool too. The lanyard hole is right there. The white plastic here is all kind of like a harder white plastic, and then it looks like we have a button right there and a little LED. If you want to pick up this little bad boy, I'm going to put a link to it in the description below.
This is the OCOOPA Digital Rechargeable Hand Warmer. It also is a power bank that you can use to charge up your smartphone or on the road, so a 2-in-1 product. And what makes this one a little bit more special is the different designs and patterns that you can find it in. So it sells for under 30 bucks. Ocean Wave is the edition that we have here today. Other ones just have very interesting kind of artwork infused, makes it look a bit more artistic and distinctive. So it could be an interesting gift idea as well. Otherwise, it does again work as a power bank, has a 5,200 milliamp hour capacity and supports 5-volt 2.1 amps output, so it can charge up most smartphones in around 2 hours. It has 3 different temperatures that you can change between. The lowest mode is around 95 to 107 degrees Fahrenheit. The second mode is a little bit warmer, 104 degrees, and then the highest goes all the way up to 131 degrees, maybe if you're in the snow and really need to get your body and hands warm. Both sides of the pad will actually get warm. Otherwise, in the hand warmer, thanks for watching here at OS Reviews. That's been the OCOOPA Rechargeable Hand Warmer.
Today we're taking a look at the LAMIGA hand warmer. Really, all this is a battery with a heating element in it. But I'll tell you what, how handy is this? I mean, if you're in the office or if you need like some direct pressure heat somewhere on your back or your neck or something for therapeutic purposes, this is a great little thing. It's got 3 levels. It's got, I forget what they call it in the handbook, but it's terrible English as usual. It's got a low, medium, and high heat. And the high heat gets pretty hot. So they recommend if you do the high heat to put it in that little velour pouch it comes with and keep it in your hands. But if you put it in a lower medium, it does a real nice job of just warming up your hands in those cold winter days so your knuckles actually move and you can actually work and do things. And my wife like this thing. 2 thumbs up.
Today we're going to check out the HotHands. This is a great heat source during the winter time, especially for your fingers, your feet. There are 3 different sizes and it's very inexpensive. They are disposable, use them one time, but they last for 10 to 18 hours according to what you get. Guys, I wanted to bring you something today that I use a lot, and that's the HotHands. And especially during this really cold snap or during the winter time, these can be invaluable. That it lasts for 10 hours. It's what it says on the package, and it is the truth. Now here are the pouches, and they're air activated. It's actually iron powder water. So stay warm out there, guys, because it's cold. Be strong, be of good courage.
But this BigBlue hand warmer is an electronic hand warmer. What I wanted to see here is, does this 6,000 milliamp hand warmer work? It looks kind of just like a regular power bank. This has all aluminum sides here, this whole red part here, and it says BigBlue. These seem to be plastic caps, low, high, looks like LED indicators. And I guess it'll work probably like a power bank. You could charge something from, hold it nice and comfortably. And this, check it out. I'll put a link to this little bad boy in the description below. Out!